Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to remove screen tearing on Linux if you're using NVIDIA graphics cards. So I go into my terminal and type in ls-pci and go full screen. And we're going to zoom in again and go zoom in a bit more because I got a complaint last week that they couldn't read the text. And we should see VGA compatible controller, which is just here. nvidia Corporation GTX 960. Now if I go to a web browser and just type in anything, so I've typed in PC, scroll up and down, you'll see that I've got screen tearing. If you can't see that, I've done a video on my phone and I'll do a picture in picture so you can see the screen tearing. How do we go about removing this screen tearing? Well, this is nice and simple. Minimise that. If I go to my documents, I've created a file there called screen test. I've opened it up in LibreOffice. And you'll see here it's got nvidia-settings, -- assign, CurrentMetaMode, nvidia-auto-select 0 +0 +0. We're going to full composite pipeline on. Now don't worry about remembering that setting. I'll put it in the description below, and all you've got to do is copy and paste it. So I go to my documents there, I can just highlight the text, right click and choose copy and press the menu button. We're going to type in startup and my startup applications come here. And these are all the programs that start up. You can see there I've got a bit of screen tearing. If I press on add, and we're going to call it screen tear. And on the command, I'm going to right click and I'm going to push paste. Now I'll leave it as delay 0. I'm just going to press add. If I scroll down, we should see what I've added in here. If you don't see it, just simply give the machine a restart. So let's go ahead and do that and see if it's removed the screen tearing. Okay, so Linux box is now back on. If I press on menu and type in start, and I click on Startup Applications, make this bigger, and here is all my start applications when the machine starts. If I scroll down, I've got under screensaver, I've got screen tear, and it's ticked to say that it's on when the computer starts. If I close this and go to a web browser, so DuckDuckGo, now scroll down, scroll up the page, I'm not seeing any screen tearing whatsoever. Now, you might not be able to see a difference, so I'll do a picture in picture. If I click on a YouTube, I can now type in screen tearing 1080p. There's loads of screen tearing examples on YouTube. There's one there. Stop screen tearing there. Anyway, that was how to stop screen tearing on Linux if using an NVIDIA card. If you found the video of some use, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the yellow button seems to work too. But as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.